Alright, so it's day 2. Just woke up a little bit ago, had some coffee. What you're seeing right now is our window. It's on almost the second story, or probably is equivalent to the second story. It is covered with snow blown across it. You can see it coming down out there, some pretty big flakes. Okay, going down the stairs. Sorry if it's dark. And I'll open up the door. I'm scared of opening the front door, but I will. Okay. So, 9:30 a.m. on Groundhog's Day. Shit. Wow. Holy wow. Okay, so here you go. That's the snow blown against the door. As you can see, it's a good 2 feet over here. Oh, the snow is still coming down pretty hard. The flakes are bigger and it's kind of pretty. The wind's blowing it down as opposed to straight across. Cars are buried completely. The street's buried completely. There are drifts in between the buildings. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Woo! Cold. The drifts between the buildings are pretty tall. You can't really tell because it's buried under snow, but over here on the very left of the screen, that's a door behind that tree, and that door has steps leading up to it. So I would say the bottom of the door is possibly 2 to 3 feet above the ground, and you can see in between the buildings that snowdrift's probably a good 5 feet. And then looking, uh-oh, the cats are trying to come out. What? You don't need to go down here, dude. You don't need to come down here, okay? Okay, so, wow. That car's almost completely buried. That one's buried. That one's pretty buried. I don't even know if I could. Oh, another snow blowing. It's blowing in at me. You can see it's coming in the door. I really want to go out and play in this later once it stops. So we got about 20 inches so far. If we get another 3.5 before this ends, and the radar shows that it's going to end the next few hours, then this will be the single largest one-day snowfall in Chicago recorded history, which is pretty impressive. And you can see this little statue thing in the side rail. That had about, just a couple of inches last night during my last update. Now there's over a foot on that thing. So, here we go. Eat your heart out, Texas. This is true winter wonderland. And an adult snow day. That doesn't happen here, ever. Holy cow. It's really peaceful, though. Everything is shut down. There's nobody out. Wow. Okay. Looking around. Okay, so folks, this is it. This is what it looks like outside my front door. You saw videos from last night and the progression, and this is what we woke up to. Signing off. I'll update probably toward the end of the snowstorm so you can see the final result of Snowmageddon, Snowzilla, Oh My Snow, all these things people are calling it. Basically, the Chicago Blizzard of 2011. Happy Groundhog's Day, everyone.